Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 17 of English. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is the Taj Mahal. Dear students, we all know that this is a famous building. It is one of the most famous building in all over the world, and it is built by Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz. Okay students, so today we will discuss about the Taj Mahal. So just open your book of Open Skies, page number 140. So just see here. The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous building in the world. Dear students, we all know that it is one of the most famous building in the world. It is also one of the 7 wonders of the world, and it is also we also keep ताज महल इन द 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. 7 वंडर्स में 7 ऐसी चीजें, अजूबे चीजें, अनोखी चीजें, इसमें हमारे देश का क्या है, ताजमहल भी है. जैसे its beauty attract thousands of tourists to our country, and its beauty, it was so beautiful. Therefore, maximum number of tourists from foreign came India to see the Taj Mahal. Okay, so just see, its beauty attract thousands of our tourists to our country. Maximum number of tourists came India to see the Taj Mahal because it is so beautiful. Just see. They came every year from all parts of the world to visit the Agra to see the Taj. They came from all parts of the world. It means all parts of the world means from everywhere. Okay, from everywhere, from other countries, from the other continents also. There are so many people came India, and especially Agra, to see the Taj Mahal. Okay students. They all go back home carrying with them memories of joys and at looking the Taj in full moon night. And they all go back home, they carry the memories of joy. When we will see the Taj Mahal, we will feel very glad, because the beauty attracts us, and especially in the full moon night. Full moon night means on the day when the moon is in its full set. Okay, in Hindi we call Purnima. So just see here, they all go back home carrying with them memories of the joy they had looking at the Taj in a full moon night. It means the memory of Taj Mahal, the beauty of Taj Mahal, tourists also carries in their mind. You see, people plan their trips and choose the right dates because they must be in Agra in full moon night. Dear students, there are so many tourists who also choose the particular days. On that particular days, on the full moon night day, it reflects, the moon reflects on it, and so the beauty of Taj Mahal increases automatically. Under the clear cloudless sky, means on that day we can see. In the night we feel that it is rising of sun. We feel. Okay, because there is lights of moon spread everywhere. Under the clear cloudless sky, in the light of the full moon, Taj has beauty that no one can forget. And the beauty in the light of full moon night, no one can forget the beauty of Taj Mahal. So just see, the still water of the pool before it reflects the building, add to its beauty. Yes, those who had gone to the Taj Mahal, to Agra, to see the Taj Mahal, in front of the Taj Mahal there is a pool. Okay, there is a fountain. Fountain is Fawara. Okay, in the, just see here, the water of the pools before reflects it, and the building adds to its beauty, and the pool also reflects the beauty of Taj Mahal. Okay students, so just see, come to the next paragraph. The Taj Mahal is about 6 miles from the city of Agra. It is about 6 miles from the city of Agra. It contains the tombs of Emperor Shah Jahan and his queen. And it contains the tombs of Shah Jahan, who was the Mughal emperor, and his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The building stands upon the northern side of large quadrangle. Quadrangle means boundary. Okay. The building stands upon the northern side of large quadrangle. It is stands. Suppose that this is your quadrangle. Suppose this is your quadrangle, and the building stands here in the northern side. Okay. The building stands upon the northern side of large quadrangles. On one side of the quadrangle flows the river Yamuna, and just behind the Taj Mahal you will also find the Yamuna river Yamuna that flows. Just see, on one side of the quadrangle flows the river Yamuna. On the other 3 sides there are high walls, and other 3 sides, this side, and this side, there is high walls, and just behind, okay, there is river Yamuna. Just see. On the other 3 sides there are high walls of red stones, red sandstone. We can enter the quadrangle through the grand gateway of southern side, and there is a grand gate that is in south, okay, southern side, from where we enter. We can enter the quadrangle through the grand gateway of the southern side. On 2 sides there are very beautiful mosques, and there are these 2 sides you will find the mosques. Mosques means masjid. As Hindu go to worship in temple, in the same way Muslim also visit mosques for worship, for namaz. So just see here. The other 2 sides are very beautiful mosques looking exactly like each other, and both looks like each other. Exactly like each other. Okay. The whole quadrangle is garden with flowers in the middle, shady tree all around, and the whole quadrangle, the whole boundaries, whole space was covered with the beautiful flowers and shady trees. So just see here, middle and shady trees all around. The quadrangle is 964 feet long, and the quadrangle, the total space of this boundary is about what? 964 feet long and 329 feet wide. This is the perimeter. Okay, come to the next page. Just see, the building in the center with its dome and minaret is made of all white marbles, and the buildings in the center and the dome means ऊपर का जो भाग होता है गुंबद. Okay, just see here, it is written here, dome and minaret is made of all white marbles. All these buildings, all the tombs, what we call this, yes, dome, and that is made of marbles. Precious stones of all colors. There are several precious stones are used for building these mosques and Taj Mahal. You see, precious stones of all colors, diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and jade. These are what? These are the precious stones. Once decorated the marbles. Hundreds of workers brought to the marble from Jaipur, and all these marbles has been brought from the Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur is famous for marbles. So the marbles that was used in the Taj Mahal, that was brought from Jaipur. Just see, students, hundreds of workers. Who brought? Hundreds of workers brought the marbles from Jaipur more than 200 miles away. It was about the distance between Agra and Jaipur is about 200 miles. On cart, at that time there were no trains. So the people, the workers brought that marbles on bullock cart. You see? On cart, 30,000 men worked. And how many people? 30,000. Okay, 30,000 workers. Just see here, you can see 30,000 men work for 22 years. And how many years? 22 years. They worked, 30,000 people, 30,000 workers worked for 22 years to build this building. Taj Mahal. Just see. 30,000 men worked for 22 years to finish the great building. Okay, it takes 22 years to finish the whole construction of the Taj Mahal. Okay, come to the next paragraph. Who built this beautiful building and why he built it? Now, this is a question. Who built this beautiful building and why that man built this building? Perhaps you know that Emperor Shah Jahan, who built it? Shah Jahan. Emperor Shah Jahan, the grandson of Akbar. Who was Shah Jahan? He was the grandson of Akbar. Built the Taj. Who built the Taj? Shah Jahan, who was the son of Akbar, built the Taj Mahal. He built it because he wanted a quiet place for rest for his wife and himself after that. And why he built Taj Mahal? Because he wanted to live in a peace environment with his wife after death. Okay? So just see. He built it in loving memory of his queen. And he built, Shah Jahan built that tomb, that Taj Mahal, in the memory of his queen Mumtaz Mahal. The story goes this like, and this is the story behind this building, that Shah Jahan built this building in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Just see, come to the next paragraph. Mumtaz Mahal was the only woman Shah Jahan loved. Dear students, you all know that Shah Jahan used to love Mumtaz Mahal very much. And she was the only woman Shah Jahan loved. And she was the only woman to whom Shah Jahan used to love. She died several years before him. And she died, the wife of Shah Jahan died several years before. She told the emperor, who was standing by deathbed. When she was on deathbed, she told the emperor, she told the Shah Jahan. What she told? I have two requests to make. She has two requests. What was that? Will you grant them? She was asking to his husband, to the king Shah Jahan. What was that? I shall grant you everything you wish, the emperor replied. And the emperor replied, Shah Jahan replied that whatever you will ask, he will ready to give. And just see what she asked. Then dying queen said, do not marry again after my death. And Mumtaz Mahal said that first thing, you will not marry, Shah Jahan will not marry after the death of Mumtaz Mahal. That was the first promise. And the second, and you must build me the tomb which you have promised. And you also build a tomb for her. Build a tomb that will keep my name in the memory of the people forever. And she also said to him that you build a tomb so that the people could remember her. Okay, come to the next paragraph. Immediately after the death of his queen, immediately what happened? The queen Mumtaz Mahal died, and after his death, Shah Jahan ordered his man to start the work on tomb. and he ordered the man, he ordered the worker, he ordered the architecture to build that building. The building cost him more than 3 crores rupees, and the building cost more than 3 crores. Okay, more than 3 crores in that time. Just see. Come to the last paragraph. But do not think Shah Jahan spent all his money in vain. But don't think that Shah Jahan spent all his money in vain. Don't think. ये मत समझिए कि शाहजहां ने पूरा पैसा व्यर्थ में गंवा दिया. Just see here. Every year, tourists from other countries to India see the Taj. There are maximum number of tourists came in India to see the beauty of Taj Mahal. And just see, they see the Taj and talk about its beauty. And they see the Taj, tourists see the Taj, and they also talk about its beauty. Then they remember the beautiful Queen Mumtaz Mahal. And then they also remember the beautiful Queen Mumtaz Mahal. In this way, her memory will stay perhaps forever. In this way, with this building, the memory of Mumtaz Mahal will stay forever. Okay, students, so this is the story of the building Taj Mahal. You all know, and I hope that you all have understood this chapter. Dear students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, I will send the notes, question answer, and other exercises, okay, on your WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.